Hey, it's Geeb from Ludi TV, and these are the new Ray-Ban smart glasses. All right, let's check these out. Ray-Ban Facebook smart glasses. Wayfarer Ray-Ban stories. This part is just the style of the glasses. You can get different styles of the glasses, but this is the style that I chose. It's a nice box. We'll just pull it out. I've had it open already, obviously. Nice box. Again, you got the glasses. We'll get to those. I assume instructions. And power cord. I know it is USB-C. I have charged these already, so this is a USB-C charging port on the back. The glasses just sit in there. If you can see the green indicator light that's on right now, it means they're charged when that's green. I did get the blue light filter glasses. Never mind my Ring doorbell. Sorry about that. These glasses actually charge right here. If you can see that right there. And then on the back of the glasses themselves, it has that right there. And that is magnetic. So when you put those in there like that, you can hear them kind of snap in. They just are magnetic. You close them, and then you charge them. So let's take these out, and pretty nice. They're not real big. They look just like normal glasses. You have a camera here, and you have a camera right here. Okay. So how do we start this? Ooh, reference guide. Little safety and warranty. So, oh my gosh. So, does a lot. A is obviously the power button, which is right here. I guess let's power them on. You have a little indicator light right here, so when you put them on, you'll be able to see this indicator light as you have the glasses on, so you know that they're on. Let's see. B is your capture button. So this guy right here, top of the glasses, is your capture button, I assume for photos. Camera is C. Those are those two cameras up front that I showed you already. There's a touchpad, which is D. Where's D? Right here. So in this area, there's a touchpad, I assume, for audio controls or how loud or whatever. The capture LED is E. So that's right there. It's going to be barely visible, but it's going to be right there. You can see that. What is F? Speakers. So you have speakers on either side right here, located. You can kind of see them if you look real close. There's a speaker there. And there's a speaker, if I get the light just right there. And you can feel them actually. So you can listen to audio through these. G is a microphone. Where's the microphone located? G. A, B, C, D, F, G. Right there. I guess built into the little Ray-Ban is a microphone right there somewhere. I think they hide it with the Ray-Ban logo. And H is your notification LED. Oh, never mind. They didn't put it up here in this picture. They put it right here. That's that notification LED on the inside of the glasses that I showed you before. See how it's green? So we know they're on. So you can kind of see that when you have the glasses on. Okay, so set up your glasses, see captures, and manage settings in the app. We need the Facebook View app. Facebook View app. And I have my phone. I'm an Android user, Android Master Race. This will work with Android and iOS. So let's just go to the Play Store. Facebook View. Search for Facebook View. Oh, it looks like it. That's it. Same thing. Yeah. Let's install that bad boy. Okay, got it installed. Gonna continue as me. That's me and the wife. Start by turning on your glasses. I've already done that. Wait for the white LED to turn green. Already done that. Next. Put your glasses in pairing mode. Slide and hold the power switch for 5 seconds and release when the light turns blue. Okay. There we go. See, it's flashing blue now. We're in pairing mode. Next, it's looking for the glasses. I assume that's the RB Stories right there in the list, so it is Bluetooth. I want to pair those. This is pretty sweet. Really not hard to set up at all. Just kind of getting to know all the controls and everything, where everything's at is probably going to be your most daunting task. And it has updates. Why wouldn't it? Install the update. Allow Facebook View to access your location. Fine. Only while using the app. Please keep your app open and your glasses close by until the update is complete. 4 minutes! Fine. See you in 4 minutes. All right, they weren't lying. It took about 4 minutes for that to go, for that to update. Now we just have a white light, white indicator light. You can see that there. Now it's asking us, go hands-free with Facebook Assistant. Do we want to? Yeah, sure. Let's do that because we want to be like, take video, and your transcripts are stored to help improve Assistant, to help Facebook understand, blah, 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 blah. It uses machine learning and trained reviewers to process your stored transcripts. Fair. Fine. Okay, I accept. Do you also want to store your video recordings? Here, view, and delete them in settings. Turn off storage settings. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, sure. We'll store voice recordings. Language and voice. Let's hear these. Low and warm. Oh, you got to put them on to hear it. So let me put these on and choose a voice. There's one of the voices you can use. You can always change it later in settings. That's high and bright, mid-range, and steady.
Here's one of the voices you can choose. You can always change it later in settings. Here's one of the voices you can choose. You can always change it later in settings.
Okay, we'll go with high and bright. I like her. So next, connect Messenger to call and message friends. Sure, let's do it all. Yeah, let's have it read out your incoming messages. Assistants will announce who's messaging you and then read out the incoming message. That's pretty sweet. Let's do that. Get to know your glasses. Next. Press and hold to take a photo. The white notification LED will blink and make a sound during capture. Got it. Took a photo. It gave us the little white indicator light I could see. And it makes a sound. Record videos. Press once to record a 30-second video. Press again to stop recording. Let's just take a video of what I'm recording. Now we're recording. Never mind my Ring doorbell. So we're still recording because I can see the white indicator light. And press it again to stop recording. Okay. So we did that. So it's a long press for a photo and then just one press for recordings. The capture LED. The capture LED signals to others when you're trying to take their photo or video. Oh man, I want a sneak attack. Okay. Hands free. When Facebook Assistant is enabled, which we did, you can use your voice to take a photo or video. Say, hey Facebook, take a photo. And it just took a photo. Hey Facebook, take a video. Hey Facebook, stop. That worked. Didn't even tell me in the instructions. Gosh dang it. Okay, we got that. Play audio. Tap once to pause. Tap once to play audio. Double tap to skip forward. Triple tap to skip back. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's loud. So it's kind of on the side. You kind of have to get used to where it's at. It's like right behind the Ray-Ban. Right behind the Ray-Ban. So about halfway. That's kind of cool. Adjust your volume. We did that already. So if you slide back and forth, it does adjust your volume. Take calls. Double tap to accept a call. Double tap again to end the call. Press and hold to reject the call. Well, that's really cool. The notification LED. Each color communicates a status color change. Right now I don't see anything in the upper right hand corner as I have the glasses on. White, actively recording. Green, ready to use. I don't have a green light. Orange, low battery or air. Or red, glasses shutting down soon. You can watch this again in your settings at any time. Okay, your memories, your data. Facebook collects blah, blah, blah. You can choose share. Yeah, that's fine. Share additional data to improve Ray-Ban stories. Sharing this data doesn't give Facebook access to your photos and videos. Why not? Government already has everything on me anyway. Respect people's privacy. Show how it works. Don't capture while driving. Fair enough. Import your first photo and videos. Import captures automatically. Sure. So this is what we took today. And it's just importing them. Oh, I took more pictures than I thought. It did take a 30-second video. It does take a little bit for them to import from the actual glasses themselves into this Captures app. It's not a bad photo for a little 5 megapixel camera. It even tells you the percentage up here at the top. If you click on your little icon, your glasses are connected. We're 84%. Facebook Assistant. So yeah, you can go through the settings and change all these. All in all, these are pretty awesome. I'll have to try out the audio and tell you what it's like in the comments. But be sure to subscribe to Ludi TV and make sure you ring that notification bell. That way you get alerts right away. We do all kinds of videos. Thanks for watching.